Tubby the fat cat.
Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn about second class English. So children, in the previous class we have completed our 4 lessons. The lessons, the textbook part, the grammar part, everything we have completed. So children, today we are going to learn, we are going to start our lesson, that is the 5th lesson. So the name called as Tubby, the fat cat. So here in our lesson, a cat also is there. So the cat name is Tubby, Tubby, Tubby. So it is a very fat cat. So the name of the cat is Tubby and it is a very fat cat. So here in our lesson, this is not only about a Tubby, and here we have a small boy also. Name Andy. So the boy name also Andy. So let us see. So the textbook page number 43 children. Here we can see. See children. So here we have some pictures. So the first page of the lesson. So here we have some pictures. So what is this? The first one here in the picture, what we can see? Yes, here we can see the two girls and one girl is slowly saying something to another girl. In a rear, what is slowly? Secrets we used to say. Whisper. So what is that? How they used to talk, children? So it means it can call as whisper. Whispering. Slowly talking. Talking means okay, directly like this going on face to face talking means that is different. But slowly something she is saying in her ears. You can call it as a whisper. Whispering like this. So here we can see a small girl. She is whispering, slowly talking to another girl. That is called as whisper. WHISPER, whisper. And here, yes, it is see how you can see this cat. It is a fat and a brown color cat. So named as Tubby. So Tubby, what she is doing there now? Snoring. Night times we used to do. Some of them they used to keep the snoring sound. Amma, it will be looking like a train sound. Big snorings they used to take. Some of them only, not all of them. But some of them they have like that habit of snoring during the night times. See, our this cat Tubby also, it has the habit of snoring. So night times how she is sleeping, like that sound it will come. Isn't it children? You know that, you heard that the older people they used to take that type of snoring when they go into the deep sleep. So they used to get the snorings, sounds like that, big sounds, train sound like that, sounds coming no, like that. So this is called a snore, S-N-O-R-E, snore. And here we can see the Tubbies, what are these? Paws. So the Tubby has a paws, like this big paws. The cat is such a big cat, fat cat, and it has a paws. So we have when we used to say that is called as a palm. So this is the part you can call as a palm. So for human beings. What about the animals? The tiger, the lions. So they used to have the paws, and then they have a big nails also. So when they feel very much danger, then only they used to keep their nails out. After that they have a just simply they can keep the just like that only. But when they feel something is danger and when they want to hunt anything, so the animals they used to keep their nails out like this, such big nails they put. So very big nails there. These are the paws. Like this they say. Yes, the lion will say no paw. Yes, that is called as a paws. So the cats also. So the lions, the tiger also, they are the same family, the cat family. They are called as a big cats. These are the small cats and they are called as a big cats. Okay children? So these are the paws. And another one here we can see the picture of upstairs. Yes, upstairs. Steps we have now. So this is the direction. So when we walk like this upstairs, that is called the stairs. Upstairs and downstairs. So here they are going up. So that is the upstairs. And here we have two beautiful teddies. But so clock. Okay children. So this is the work for you. What they have told here, see. Draw the hands of the clock. You have to draw the hands of a clock to show when you go to sleep. So this is the clock. here you have to draw the hands, the big hand, the long hand and the short hand. So when he will go to sleep, and here another clock. Draw the hands of a clock to show when you wake up. So when you will get up, when will you get up, that time you should draw the hands, the time you should show them. And the first clock, when you go to bed, when you go to sleep, so that you can show them. Okay children? So here the first page of this lesson has been completed. Now let us start our lesson, Tubby, Fat Cat. Let us start our lesson. So the textbook children, the page number here we can see. So the page number 44. Here we can see children, the textbook page number 44. Now here is the picture. Okay children. So here in this picture we can see a boy, a small boy like you one. So his name is Andy, A-N-D-Y, Andy. And they both are the parents. They both are parents. That means Andy's parents, the father, the mother. So both are. Now we are thinking now, where is the fat cat? Yes, the fat cat also, the Tubby also will come. But after some time, not now. Okay children? First, let us see this about the Tubby, Andy. Now, Andy was a 7-year-old boy. Andy was a 7-year-old boy. Like you only. So he is also, his age is 7. So very naughty boy and very, yes, he is very active also. So this boy is very active, Andy. He loved to run and play. So all of them they used to run and play. So some children they used to go. So in this age, the 7 years age, what they will do? So they won't have any work to do, to wash the clothes, to cooking, sweeping, cleaning, or no. So in this age they have a lot of fun. So all the children they used to love and play. This boy also very much. So he don't want to sleep at all. He always wants to enjoy his life. So every time, all the time he wants to love to run and play. Running in the school also running and playing. In the house also he used to run and play. Everywhere. He never ever want to go to bed. In the night times also. The special boy, night times what we used to do children? We used to go and rest and sleep in the bedroom. Isn't it? But this fellow, he don't want to rest and sleep. Always he wants to run and play. During the night times also. How could it be possible in the night times? We have to take the rest. So unless we don't take the rest, unless we don't sleep in the night times, what happens the next day? The next day you feel very dozy. No interest at all. Body will be very dull. And you can't pay much attention to your work. Any other activities you can't do. Morning brushing you are dozing like this. So you will be somewhere, the brush will be somewhere, mouth will be somewhere and a paste will be somewhere, like that you used to keep. So all the things are very late. So children, it's very important children. So you have to give the rest to your body and a mind. So the whole day you are doing so many lot of activities, isn't it? So comes to the night times, we have to give rest to our mind and our body also. So unless you don't give the rest, so our body will be so tired. So the mind also so tired, the body also will be so tired. So you can't have any more ideas. The next day, when you want to do any math problems, you don't get any ideas. How could I do this math sums? How could I do this? How could I draw these pictures? You don't have much attention on next day's work. So you have to be active means, then what you have to do children? You have to rest and sleep. So this fellow, Andy, he don't want to sleep at all. He never ever want to sleep. Always in the night times also he wants to be. Mummy, 2 minutes, mummy. His mother will say, hey Andy, come please, come on. It's time to bed now. It's too late. Go and sleep. Yes, honey, I'm coming, mummy. Like that he used to say. And he used to run in the house. Full house he used to run and play. Something toys he will take and he used to run. So here we can see children, this boy, see. The bed is there, the bedroom, the toys all he is keeping outside. And in the hand also he used to keep a toys. And he want to play. Always after eating dinner also he wants to play. He don't want to sleep at all. So his father said, it's very important to rest and sleep. Father shouted, go Andy, it's very important to rest and sleep. Otherwise, the next day, the morning, you can't go to school also. You can't pay much attention to your work. It's very, and you won't be like that very active. Go and sleep. Now he never listened. His mother said, how will you get up in the time for school? How will you get up in the morning? The time for the school. So you have to go to school. Tomorrow is not a holiday. So you can't take rest in the tomorrow. So regularly we have the school. So you have to wait. How could you go to the school? Unless you sleep now. Go, it's here, it's 9 o'clock. It's 10:30. Go to bed like that. Mummy, daddy, everybody they used to say. This fellow Andy, how naughty boy. He don't want to sleep at all. Always running here and there, taking the toys and running. Playing, going on running and playing. See, it's very bad, no children? Yes. Like this if you do means too bad, children. You don't do like that. You should go time to bed. Okay children? Then only you can pay much attention to the next day. How could you get up? If you sleep late night, then how could you get up in the morning? How could you wake up in the morning? 6 o'clock can you get up? No. Everything late. Morning 8 o'clock when you get up. So the school bus also will be there. So school late, the first period will be missing, the madam will shout, everything will be late. Breakfast late, bathing late, brushing late, everything late. So children, you don't do like that. Okay, so you have to be, everything you should do on time. Then only you can be a good boy. So this boy is Andy, very bad boy. So he is saying, 5 minutes more mama, 5 minutes more please mama, please 5 minutes. Just now I will be coming. So he used to run and play with the toys. See how naughty he is. Now let us see what happens. Now let us see children what happens. So like this behavior, the mother and the father were both are worried. Now what they decided, so they want to discuss this problem. So how could we, this fellow like this, he is going on doing like this means, then how could we, so it will be keeping like that only. If we don't stop like this behavior, then it will be going on continuing means it's very problematic. So we have to stop him. So how could we? Yes, let us discuss about this problem to any elder. So that is the grandparents. So one weekend what happened? So the both father and mother, the Andy, all of them they went to the grandpa's house. Let us see now what happened on grandpa's house. So children, let us see now what happened one weekend. Now one weekend, the end of the week, know that Saturday and Sunday, so they got a holiday. So one weekend what happened? So all the family, that is the mother and father, the parents, along with Andy, they went to grandpa's house. So here we can see the picture children. So this is a picture of a house of a grandpa. He is a grandpa, Andy's father, Andy's mother. Here is Andy children. So one weekend Andy and his parents went to visit grandpa. So all of them they went to grandpa's house. Now in the meantime Andy went to again play. So Andy never be in the house. So always he wants to play. So he went for playing. Now grandpa, so what they did, the parents, they discussed this problem about Andy. So he always used to play. So he wants to play all the time. So in the night times also he can't sleep. He's not sleeping at all. Always he wants to play. Not sleeping on the correct time and not morning also he used to get always late. So what is the solution to this problem? He never listened, this boy. So what to do like this? They discussed this problem with the grandpa. Grandpa is quietly, he heard all this problem. So what he did, what he said, see now. Grandpa heard all about it and said, and slowly he said, I think I have an idea. I think I have an idea. Yes, I heard, yes. It's a very much big problem. So we can't keep the child like this. So it will be very problematic in future also. This boy like this behaving means it's very problematic. So he thought. So just for 5 minutes he thought, oh yes. So like this means Andy how to do. So like that he also worried. After that he said, yes, for this problem I have a solution. I have an idea. So what is that idea? So he said that, Tubby, my fat cat can help. Yes, Tubby. Now the fat cat Tubby entered now. Okay, now grandpa he advised that, okay, I have an idea. What you have to do that is, I have a fat cat with me, named called Tubby. So what you have to do that is, you can take my Tubby with you. It will help you. Definitely the Tubby, it will help you, like that they said. So the parents are, they are interested, they are thinking that, how could it that the fat cat will help? So they thought, okay, let us see now. So the grandpa didn't say how could it help, and the parents also they didn't ask. So just they thought like that. Okay. So we'll take this fat cat. Yes. Okay, grandpa. So we'll take and go this. So Andy was also very much happy because a new pet cat is coming. So the pet cat is coming means he is also very happy. Yes, I can use to play this fat cat also I can play with this. And it is very Tubby and a fat cat. It's a very fat cat. And it is very soft hair it has. Yes, it's very nice. The cat is very nice and I can enjoy to play with this. Always I used to play with the toys only. From today onwards I can play with this cat. So he is very happy, Andy. And the parents they thought, yes, okay, let us see what happens. How the cat will help. So like that they thought, and simply the cat, they brought the cat to their house. Finally, along with them, so going time just the three of them they went, but coming time, yes, the another new member that is the fat cat also, Tubby also came along with them. Now, see now what happens. Andy's parents took the cat home. So Andy's parents, both of them, they took the cat home with them in their car. So Andy was also very much happy. Tubby was there. How the Tubby was? Tubby was a very slow because it is so fat. And it is walking also very slowly. Okay, like that because it's not, I can't move fast. It's very slowly walking, the Tubby also. So they used to keep in the house and they are coming. Yes, go, please go, walk me slowly. It is walking because it is so fat cat, isn't it? And most of the time, no one knew where he was. So most of the time, nobody knows where the cat will be there because it's walking so slowly. Sometimes it will be outside, sometimes in the house. Nobody knows. Most of the time, nobody knows where the Tubby will be there. So whenever we see for the Tubby, somewhere it will be there in the house. So nobody cared about that. The cat will be always in the house somewhere. Nobody knows. So here we can see children. See, Andy was also very much happy by seeing the cat. Yes, Tubby, you are a so cute cat. So you are so much fat cat. You are looking so cute. So you are walking also very slowly. You can play with me like that. So Andy was also very much happy touching to this. Yes, you are very so cute, so fat. Now, what happened now? Yes, the day has completed. Comes to the night. That night at bedtime, Andy again did not want to go to bed. Again the same thing happened. Andy did not want to go to bed at all. So mother shouted, "Go, Andy, go to bed, go to bed." So father also shouted, "Go, Andy, go to bed. It's time now. It's bedtime. Go. Otherwise you can't go. The next morning you can't attend the school like that." No, Andy never listened. The same thing happened. Always Andy wants to play. So he used to play here and there. Okay, Papa, no, Papa, 5 minutes, Mama, 5 minutes, Daddy, like that he said. And always he wants to play. His parents waited to see. The parents they are waiting. So Grandpa said, "Tubby will help." How the Tubby will help like that? The parents are waiting. If the Tubby would do something to make him to go to bed. But what happened there? Nothing happened. What helped the Tubby? Tubby did not help at all. Nothing happened. The parents they thought, "Oh, but how could I help this fat? How could it help my son to go to bed?" So like that they are thinking. But after some time, they also went to bed and nothing happened. Simply the day was normal and the night also normal. So nothing happened there. Now what is the special thing now? Now Grandpa said that, so both the mother and father, they are discussing. Grandpa said, Tubby would help, said Andy's father. So after hours later, Andy finally decided to go to bed. So Andy's father is discussing with his mother. So talking about the parents. So our grandpa said that the Tubby will help us to, our son to Andy to go to bed. What happened now? Nothing happened there. So how this Tubby will help? Like that they are discussing. And after that 1 hour, 2 hours later, finally Andy, he wants to, decided to go to bed. Now let us see now what happens when he decided to go to bed. Now up to that he did not go to bedroom also. So he is just simply roaming in the hall and the living room always is playing. After that finally he decided to go to bed. Now let us see what happens when he goes to bed. So children, let us see now what happens. Here finally Andy decided to go to bed. Now what happened after he went to the bed? Yes, slowly went to upstairs. Andy slowly climbed to upstairs. And then what did he saw there? What a surprise! What happens there? Yes, when he entered, see, you can see here the picture. So what a surprise when he entered his bedroom. What did he saw in his bedroom? Tubby. Tubby was spread out on his bed. So it is such a small bed here. This is the Andy's bed. And who is sleeping there in the bed? Yes, surprise. Tubby was sleeping there. And how it was sleeping? It is almost spread out its body and it is such a fat cat. It's not a small bed. It occupies much space. It is sitting time only it occupies this much of space. When it wants to sleep, it spread its body like this. Like a human beings who used to sleep, no? Like spreading our body like this. So it spread its body like this and sleeping there on the bed. And seeing that, Andy was surprised. What happens to my bed? Why this Tubby came and slept here? Hey Tubby, go, move like this, move like this. Push that Tubby. And do you know that what happened? What happened there? Tubby, when it's sleeping, might is snoring. Snores like that. Like the train sound, big sound will come, no? Like the train sounds. The big, how the train it makes a sound. Such a sounds it's making. Snoring like anything. Oh, irritating. If anybody snore like that means how could we sleep then? We can't sleep at all. Now Andy was very much disturbed. He pushed many times. See how it is spreading and sleeping, and Andy was very much worried. It's pushing like this. Tubby was spread out on his bed and it was snoring like a train. How much big snoring sound it's making. Horrible sounds. Now Andy tried to shift Tubby. So he just pushed the Tubby like this. Move like that. But he could not move him, not even an inch. So it did not move like this also. Just that inch also it could not move. Because it is such a fat cat. And night when it is sleeping, it is spreading its body like this on the bed. The whole bed it occupied. No place for Andy at all. See here on the bed you can see there is no place for Andy. Doesn't have any space at all. So Andy was how? That he got very much worried. That night Andy hardly slept. So here the small space, very little space he had on its bed. So under this legs, under the Tubby's near the legs, he just slept like this. So hardly he slept. He is unable to sleep freely. So children, in the night times if you can't sleep freely, then it's very problematic. So you don't have a proper sleep at all. It's too difficult. So we have to keep our body also free when we are sleeping. But daily this fellow was sleeping very unhappily. But today what happened? Tubby came there and slept on its bed. So Andy was very much worried. So now he can't go and complain to mother also because mommy and father already they have slept. So it's already too late. So Andy what he did? Okay, anyhow finally today I will adjust here only like that. So he can't able to move that Tubby also because Tubby was such a fat cat. And he moved means also it did not move an inch also, it did not move. He shifted also, but it did not move. So finally he decided to sleep there only. So on that small space, little space only, he adjusted and slept on the bed. See, hardly. Now Tubby pushed him into one corner of the bed. Tubby in the meantime, so he pushed Andy. So he pushed Andy to the one corner of the bed. So finally to the one corner of the small corner. So there only here in the down the corner, finally Andy slept there. The next day, okay, so Andy he didn't say anything to its parents. Okay, leave it also. One day only the fat cat came and slept there. It's okay, my pet cat only, like that he thought. And okay, it's okay, he didn't inform to its parents. Okay, the same thing, daily routine happened. So anyhow he used to very late to school. So that one day finished. Finally one day is completed. The next day, now Andy again he was very late. So mother and father they told them, go to bed Andy. Ah yes mama, okay mama, like that. So like that he used to say. Okay, daily routine he used to do no. So he used to play now. Andy he did not do. And the next day also what happened there? The next day the same thing happened. That means before Andy comes to the bedroom, Tubby came and he slept on the Andy's bed. Now the same thing happened. There is no place for Andy. Oh, Andy was very much fed up. Andy was now very much irritated also. This Tubby, why it's coming and sleeping on my bed? It's not at all giving me the space also to sleep. It's just pushing me to the corner of the bed. Oh, I can't now like this. So this boy was very much irritated. And he was the next day. One day means okay, he adjusted. The second day also means Andy, the full day he was so tired. He didn't get the proper sleep. He is unable to sleep there. So like that means very problem. He can't sleep on the proper, he didn't get the proper sleep. He can't finish his sleep also. So he is very dozy now. The next day his face, and they saw the face was very tired. So very dozy face Andy is sleeping. Andy was very tired and sleepy. Wherever he wants, he is getting the sleep. So very sleepy. What's that happened? If you don't have the proper sleep, what happens? Yes, the next day your face also you are not active at all. Your face is dull, dozy face, sleepy face. Can't do the work properly, can't pay much attention to any work there. So all the problems we have. So for this reason only children, we have to sleep at the correct time. We have to get the proper sleep and the sufficient sleep. Isn't it? Now here what happens? Tubby was in his bed and when he went up, the same thing happened. The 2 days, the second day also the same thing happened. So when he went up the stairs, so then he saw that Tubby also again came there. Now the same thing happened. Now Andy was very much irritated. Now Andy thought he decided something. Now on the third day, Andy decided, no, this time I never give this chance to Tubby. So this Tubby now, before the Tubby comes to my bed, I will go on to sleep on the bed. Yes, before the Tubby comes, I will go and sleep there. So like that he decided. See, let us see now what happens on the third day. Now on the third day, Andy decided to go to the bed before Tubby comes. Okay, that's what I said. Yes, before the Tubby comes, I should go to the bed. Now that night, as soon as his parents said, now it's bedtime, Andy ran up the stairs fastly. So hurry. Now the parents said, okay Andy, now it's time to bed, and go to bed like that. As usual they used to say like that only, daily they used to say, but this will only he never listen, always. But the third day what happened? So this, why? Because now the Tubby was coming before. Andy, before the Tubby used to come there. So now he decided he don't want to give this chance to Tubby. Yes, before the Tubby comes to my bed, I will go and sleep on my bed. So this Tubby is coming and occupying my bed. So if anything comes and sleep, so this Tubby, fat cat, I can't move also, this is fat cat. So it is coming and sleeping on my bed, like that he decided. Now, as soon as his parents said, Andy, he started to run. So, surprise! The parents were very much happy. Oh, what happens to my son today? My son is very fastly, he is running to going to bed. As soon as we said, he ran to go to bed. Yes, very much happy. So the parents also looking surprising. Oh, what happens to Andy today? Like that they thought. Now see, Andy ran upstairs and jumped into the bed. So before the Tuppy did not came down. So before the Tuppy comes, he went and ran and jumped onto his bed. And he slept there freely. Now, and he was very much happy. Okay, today this Tuppy fat cat not came there. So I can sleep on my bed very freely. Yes. So this is the rest I should get. Always I am already very dozy. So this fellow is getting very much sleep. Now today I have to sleep completely. Like that he thought and he jumped to the bed. Now see, he could see the picture here. So and he was sleeping on the bed with the toys also. The teddy, small teddy also used to keep and sleep. Now his parents could not believe. They were so surprised. Could not believe what happens to my son like that today. They thought. They knew nothing about this. So this 2 days what happens between Tuppy and Andy, the parents don't know. The Tuppy won't say because it's an animal, how could it say? And Andy did not say to the parents because definitely the parents will shout at him. So Andy did not say that all. So these all this what happens in the between 2 days, nothing know about the parents. Now here they can see that they doesn't know about that at all. So Tuppy was sleeping in Andy's bed. So they did not understand why. So what happened in these 2 days? Why today our son is Andy is going very fastly. Now Andy went to bed on time. They were just happy. So finally, whatever will be the reason, finally Andy went to bed on time. That's enough for us. So they both of them discussed that that's enough for us. So finally Andy went on the correct time. So now can you guess children? Where the Tuppy will have sleep at that night? Yes, for the Tuppy now they don't have the place. Andy did not give the place for Tuppy now. So before the 2 days, Tuppy was not going. But third day, Andy did not give the space to Tuppy. See here. So on the day, Tuppy, poor Tuppy, so it slept on the floor mat. So here we can see the floor mat only slept there. So finally Andy was very happy. So Andy got that he has a fear. So where the Tuppy will come under, does not give the space for that boy. So now the third day onwards he's listening to his parents, he's obeying his parents and he's correctly going and sleeping on the bed. So finally children, so hope you understood this lesson. So the Tuppy and the fat cat and the Andy. So here we have completed our lesson, Tuppy the fat cat. Hope you understood all of you.